Hello and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a translator in Scratch. So let's begin. First you need two sprites, translate button and a title. In title you have to go when click go to X this set size to 200% and forever change color effect by 10. Now in the translate button the costing should be 2 in your so two, one for the pop-up effect and one is the simple. And in the this when green flag is clicked we need to do switch costume to translate button 1 and then go to X this and Y this. Now go to front layer and then show, and then in the forever loop put a if else statement, and in the if else the condition should be if touching mouse pointer. If the mouse pointer is hovering the button, then go to looks, switch costume to translate button 1, else switch costume to translate button 1 and above it 2. Now if we test this, the color effect is changing. Let's change this to 10 and color effect. Now if you can see, it's having a new good pop-up effect. So till now everything is good. Now go do like now you need to do put another if statement. Now if then statement the condition would be mouse down. If mouse down, wait until not mouse down. So you can go to operators and put a not symbol here, duplicate the mouse down, put it here. Now you need to do ask like what do you want to translate, and put a question mark, and now make a variable called translate and make sure it's for all sprites, and then you can do set translate to the answer in answer of the sensing category, and ask one more time which language. So you'll say you can do like say say you need a translate extension for this. Go to here and simply click on translate, and now you need to do like translate the translate variable translate to the answer, and for how many seconds should the answer get? 5 seconds, and put it in the if statement here. So this is all. Now you can do like now test this. The color effect is working, the pop-up effect is also working, and when they click this, what do you want to translate? I say hello. In which language? Let's say Spanish. Hola. So it's saying right, I know a bit of Spanish also. So you can check another language also like good morning, ning in French. You can click enter and bonjour. Yes. So here's how you can make your own translator in Scratch. Bye.